Welcome back to my channel, and we are in our supplement book and we are playing Oats and Beans, which is number 11 in this book. So we are still working on our first and second strings on the guitar, and there is nothing new here. We just have quarter notes and half notes. The quarter notes are the little black notes and they get 1 count, and the half note is the little white note with the stem and it gets 2 counts. So I'm going to put on my soft rock metronome, and we're going to play Oats and Beans at 50 beats per minute. And then we're going to bump it up to 60. Okay, ready? Those oats and beans and barley's growing. 2, 3, 4, go. Repeat. Let's take it just a little slower. We'll do it at 40, and let's see if it makes it any easier. If it does make it easier for you, put it below in the comments, and then I'll know I can do an even slower video for you, speed it up to medium, and then the higher speed. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Okay, so we did it at 50, and then we did it down to 40. So let's bump it back up to 50. We'll do it again, and then we'll bump it to 60 and see how quick that pace is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Okay, let's bump it up one more time and see how you do. This is 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Okay, so there you've got 3 speeds. Practice the first speed, second, and then third speed, and find your Goldilocks speed as to which one suits you the best. So I will see you on the next video. But I want to remind you that I have a brand new channel called Seedling Stories, where you will find songs about people, songs about the Lord, and songs straight out of the Bible, where I've used verses and scriptures straight out of the Bible, didn't change the words at all, and put them to music, and enjoyed the time doing that. And I want other people to enjoy it too. There's also children's music on there, and there's the story of Paul and Silas set to a musical. So the video for this week is Warhorse. Don't count on your warhorse. So watch it, comment, let me know what you think. And I will see you back here. The next lesson is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Talk to you later.